Is Google Meet stuck on the loading screen? Whether the meeting never opens, keeps spinning indefinitely, or freezes before you can join, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet stuck on loading in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unreliable connection can prevent Google Meet from loading properly. Try refreshing the page or switching to another network if possible. If you're using Google Meet in a browser, refresh the page or close and reopen the tab. If you're using the mobile app, completely close it and launch it again. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Outdated or corrupted temporary files can sometimes stop Google Meet from loading correctly. If the issue continues, temporarily disable browser extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. Some extensions can interfere with Google Meet and prevent meetings from loading. Now make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. If Google Meet is still stuck on loading, try opening the meeting in another supported browser to see if the issue is browser-specific. Finally, restart your computer or mobile device and try joining the meeting again. If the problem continues after restarting, check whether Google Meet is experiencing a temporary service outage. And that's how to fix Google Meet stuck on loading in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, clearing browser data, disabling extensions, and updating your browser will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.